Hi Gunpla fans, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have another weird looking mecha model kit to build and to unbox. And this model kit caught my attention because the storyline of this anime is interesting because they are fighting aliens. And the story also has similarity with the Muv-Luv, Evangelion, and other mecha series that fights aliens. And I was surprised that this anime is also created by the one who created Gundam Seed anime series. Although I'm not fan of Gundam Seed, but the design of this mecha model kit is very interesting to me. So let's not wait for long, and I will introduce you to the Moderoid Fafner Mark Sein from the anime Fafner and Beyond, or Fafner the Beyond. To be honest, I just watched some clips and I did not finish yet the series of this. Most of the time I just watch clips and some summary of this anime story. And I am very impressed with the graphics of this. And the mecha designs are very unique. It's not that typical Gundam design and other mecha model design, but this is like a fusion of Evangelion and other model kit or other robots. So let's build and unbox this shit. So the box here is very simple. It's a small box, same like the Gundam X and other small scale 1/100 master grade box. It's not that big, it's not that heavy, it's not that large to consume space in your cabinet. And the model kit here is nice. He's flying and wielding this crystallized sword. I forgot the term, assimilation blade, something like that. And the appearance of this kit is very unique. I like the design. It's not that typical or stereotype model, mecha model. And in the side of the box, we can see only the name of the kit, Fafner Mark Sein. Another Fafner Mark Sein here. It's a German term. The sign is, it means to be, or being, to be, to become, or something like that. Existing sign. So, the back of the box, you can see the Fafner Mark Sein posing a kneeling pose with the sword being struck on the ground. The front view of the kit, and he's wielding the sword with the assimilation crystals. And here he's trying to shoot using his sword here. There's electrical effects there. And some flying poses. So if we're going to open the box, we can see the instruction manual, and it looks similar to the box art. And since this is a Good Smile Moderoid, everything here is colorful. So there are colored print on the kit parts. So it's not that much. The parts of this kit is not that much, and I think I can build this within 2 to 3 hours. So packs here, we have the assimilation crystal effects here. Gray runners for the hand interchangeable hand parts. We have here gray runners here. We have another gray pieces for the sword. White pieces, white pieces, white pieces, white colored runner here. And we have these gray pieces for the sword parts. This is a heavy sword. And some electrical effects here. Effect parts, and this white, no, this is a light blue opaque effects on the back when the Fafner is using the assimilation mode. I guess that's the term. Correct me if I'm wrong, just put in the comments. And we have here gray parts again, gray pieces. So as usual, before I build the kit, we need to have a quick review on the parts and the runners. So we have here clear green assimilation effect parts or runner. We have here already loose pieces here from the runners due to poor packaging. And we have here gray, dark gray F runner here. 2 F runners. We have here runner G for the hands, hand parts. We have here dark gray runner E. We have runner X, 2 runner X here for the sword pieces. We have another gray runners, 2 runner Y for the sword parts. And we have the electric effect parts here. It's clear blue. And another clear blue piece here for interchangeable backpack blades. We have here gray, light gray pieces here. And most of it are white colored runner, white colored pieces for the armor and the body parts of the Fafner marked Sein. So now we can build the kit, and I noticed that there are no stickers for the kit, which is a plus for me, and I want this kit as much as possible without stickers, to be honest. And let's build this now.